To maintain our prosperity for future generations, it is necessary to strengthen our economic competitiveness and reduce the burden on the environment and our reliance on fossil energy and scarce raw materials. That's why Europe has opted for green growth and circular economy. The transition towards a circular economy gives us an opportunity to reinvent our economy and create new competitive advantages for the European Union on a sustainable base. Creativity, entrepreneurship and innovation are essential to enable a transition to green growth. This requires action and collaboration of businesses, citizens and civil society organizations. Based upon the experience with the Green Deal approach in the Netherlands, an international Green Deal on the North Sea Resources Roundabout is introduced with the following elements: integral cooperation, bottom-up, action and short-term orientated, voluntary and not legally binding. This first international Green Deal covers the cross-border trade, transport and use of secondary raw materials in the North Sea region. Currently, significant economic and environmental opportunities are being missed as the trade in secondary raw materials between countries is still subject to trade barriers. A multinational public-private team is analysing these barriers and attempting to identify solutions and practical applications. We would like to illustrate 5 examples of waste streams that are covered by the North Sea Resources Roundabout. Inashco has developed an innovative technique to reclaim ultra-fine, non-ferrous metals from bottom ash. This translates into an additional reclamation of 20,000 tonnes of aluminium, 15 tonnes of silver, and 4.5 million tonnes of minerals. The final treatment will be completed in the Netherlands. Governments and businesses are working together on simplifying the complex procedures that regulate the international transport of pre-treated bottom ash. In the English county of Northumberland, there is a demand for compost as a fertiliser. Twente in the Netherlands has an available supply. Governments and businesses are researching to what extent British end-of-waste criteria could be applicable as Dutch or even European end-of-waste criteria. This application would simplify the international trade and transportation of compost. Due to the long life cycle of PVC, including frames and pipes, much recyclable PVC is available in Europe. The use of lead and cadmium-containing PVC recyclable materials in products is allowed under controlled circumstances. However, the cross-border transportation of PVC recyclable materials as raw material may inadvertently be complex and expensive. Governments and businesses in Flanders, the Netherlands and the UK are jointly researching risks while looking for customized solutions. Closing the phosphorus loop is an important element in the circular economy. Technologies to recover struvite from wastewater are available. There is a growing interest from the agricultural sector in struvite as a fertilizer. However, the creation of a European market is lagging behind due to uncertainty with regards to product or waste status, fertilizer regulations, and cross-border transportation regimes. Suez, Veolia, Waternet and Aqua Minerals, supported by Dutch and French government officials, work on trade of struvite between the Netherlands and France as a first step towards creating a European market for struvite. Fast Track focuses on plastic-rich residues from shredders of electrical and electronic equipment from HKS Metals in the Netherlands to Müller-Guttenbrunn Group in Austria. Both are pre-consented facilities, yet shipments of electrical and electronic equipment waste between them require complex notification procedures. 5 competent authorities aim to harmonise their implementation of pre-consents. This will result in so-called fast tracks, making shipments to compliant recyclers easier and faster, thus boosting the production of secondary raw materials and freeing up time to combat illegal exports. These cases contribute towards improvements in the environment and stimulate economic growth. We hope that this approach will grow. New cases and participants are welcome to join the North Sea Resources Roundabout. More information on the Dutch Green Deal approach and the International Green Deal North Sea Resources Roundabout can be found on our website.